Well, hello there, YouTubers. Welcome back once again. Just to let you know, we're going to have something fun coming on today. What we're going to do is we're going to take an inside look about computer cases and what's the best case to use. So stick around. We're going to roll this B-roll right here at JJ's PC Builds. Well, welcome back. Seems you got this far. You made it past the B-roll for sure. Alrighty, let's go ahead and pull up on Amazon. You know, I always got the Amazon go-to, so we're going to go ahead and do the go-to to Amazon. Here's the Fractal cases. They got the Meshify C, as you all can see. The comes with 2 fans included, PSU shroud, modular interior, water cooling ready, and USB 3.0. Let's go ahead and just dig in a little bit and see the fine tune of it all. For 116 bucks, and what do you get? Well, let's see. There's the front of it. You know, that looks pretty good. The side of it. Now, the thing is the PSU shroud, if you have one of those that have one of those readers, them wattage readers on the side of the PSU, that probably wouldn't be a good case for you. But there's the back side of it, you know, and there's the side of it. Truthfully, this case right here, you know, it comes with the, believe it or not, it comes with some trays. It looks like it comes with mounting for your hard drive, mounting for your SSD card. Looks like it's a very, very sleek case, and it looks like it has a lot of airflow. So if that's what you're looking for, we'll do a little pan around. They said it has 2 fans that comes included. It looks like it's got the rubber grommets, and you know, and it looks like it's got some of that glass in the front. You know, most of your cases now these days got that glass in the front, that good glass. But see, there it's got one of those air traps and everything else. It's only 116 bucks. We're going to go ahead and go back, and we're going to look at a cheaper case for 69 bucks. Now, what do you get for 69 bucks? Looks like you get 220 millimeter white LED fans. It's got USB 3.0. It's a mid-tower case. Got alloy steel, and it's very airy. Let's go ahead and look at that. There's the front of it. Now, to me, that's not a bad mid-size case if you're looking to do an MATX motherboard. You know, yeah, it looks pretty cool. But the thing about this case is that compared to the other cases, you know, looking at this, wow, it looks like you can take and mount the, there's a plate right here And look, that's not a removable plate. My bad. I was about to say that it was a removable plate, but that's not a removable plate. But looking at the case, looks like it's wide open on the sides and everything else. Looks like it can hold a lot of fans, but the only thing I don't like about the case, I can tell you right now, is that right there. That tray. Putting that tray right there, that I think is, and plus too, if you look at the bottom, you'll be able to see all the wires and everything else. For $69, that's not bad for a starter case, but myself, I'd rather do something a little bit better. They got many different cases here, Fractal does. And I think more likely everybody's going to be going for the Meshify 2. But truthfully, this $99 case kind of looks like it's right up everybody's wheelhouse. So it says it's got 4 AGRB fans pre-installed. Okay, the prices on fans. If you give 4 to 6 ARGB fans, and make sure your motherboard supports ARGB, just to let you know. And it looks like this Monarch Air might be a winner. It's a mini ITX and 8 MATX case. If you want to do an ITX, this would be perfect for you. Looking at it, it's sleek. It covers up all the wiring. It's got rubber grommets in there for your wiring. And that's the cover side. Looks like it's got a lot of cable management holes that you can do a lot of good cable management. Also too, it looks like it's got a controller on it, an ARGB controller, and it comes with the fans, and you get 4 fans. Not sure what kind of ARGB those fans are going to be putting out, but for $99, that would be a case. That would be a case I would consider, because it's got 4 pre-installed 120 millimeter ARGB fans right here, and it's got, oh man, this case got a lot. Might be worth checking out. Make sure y'all take and look at this right here, the Monarch Air, over there on eBay. I mean, not eBay, jeez, Amazon. Might be worth the gander for you. In a case like this, that looks like it's worth it. See that latch right there? So that tells me in the back there's hinges. Okay, so that glass that's on that case is hinged. And it comes with a little lock in the front. Looks like it's high up enough to where you can either set it on a tabletop, or you can probably get away with it on a low shag carpet. Looks like it's open front, because you can see the fan through all the little holes. So it's definitely got a lot of airflow. Definitely a lot of airflow there. And it's a 4 bay, so you get 4 bays. So if you get a graphics card that covers up 3 of the bays, And you're not, with an MATX motherboard, you're not going to get that many slots on it. Like, I got an MATX motherboard. I got 6 slots open in the back of the case. But the thing is this. For a case like this with one graphics card, especially if you're going to be using like a 3080 or lower, this would be a perfect case for that. Now for the 3090 and the 4090, this would be a case I wouldn't recommend, but for like if you're using an integrated graphics or you're using a smaller card, like I would say from 3080 and below, an RTX 3080 and below, and like the depends on the AMD side, to where the length of the card. You just got to look at the length of the card, because they tell you here what the width is and the length and everything else. You just got to take and explore it a little bit. But that's a good case. I would say I would use that case myself because of the amount of airflow that you can get through there. I have a case similar to that, and I got 6 fans in it. I got 3 fans in the front pulling the air in. I got the fan in the back pulling the air out, and I got the 2 fans above pulling the air out. So it creates like an effect to where the air is going like this in a U shape. Basically, it's pulling the air up and out. The airflow is really good on this case because I can feel it pull it into the front, and I can feel a lot of air coming out the backside. So it's basically, here's the back of your case, the air is coming up and going out the back of the case, and it's going up out of the top of the case. So it's a really good deal. I mean, I paid $49 for the case, $37 for the fans, but well worth it. Well worth it. So if you're looking to get a case like this, it's got 4 fans in there. You add 2 more. I'm sure Fractal sells the extra fans for that as well. You add 2 more fans to it, boom, you got 6 fans. But it's a really good deal. Now there's some cases like the Silverstone Technology Precision Series Black. That's more or less like an aesthetic kind of thing, and then that's not the kind of case I would get. Okay, and you got the Mini G for $73. For $163 or $166, you got the Fractal Design Meshify 2 Black. Let's look at that. That's the one that they're having that contest for. That, what y'all can do is, make sure you're on Twitter and get into that contest thing that Fractal Designs has got. They got a contest. They're giving away a whole computer, either a computer or a computer case. So make sure you enter to win. You need to enter 8 times. It gives you 8 chances to win. Okay. Now this is the Meshify 2. Looking at it, it looks more sleek and compact. Definitely it's got glass in the front. As you can see, it looks like it's got some straps for your cables. It's got room for your SSD drives, hard drives, your mechanical drives. And it looks like it's pre-wired. And that's a blowed up view. I don't know about the glass because, you know, I'm getting where I'm seeing this and I'm seeing this. But I think with that case, you might not be happy with it because it looks like it might not come with the glass in the front. You know, looking at it myself, it's a starter case, but it's, you know, for the price, I would want glass on it. Just to first say, I'm going to be honest with you, I would want glass on it. You know, the Meshify C comes with 2 fans, but they don't advertise the price. That means because they don't have it. Now they got the white case for $140. It's got six bays. It's got tempered glass, steel mesh, and it gets a rating out of 4 out of 7 out of 5. Okay. A lot of people are liking that case because it's a white and black. Me, the problem with cases is this. This one for $140 is an ATX, mini ATX, and an ITX, you know, case. Okay. What do you get with the case? That's the thing. It tells you get 3 4.72 fans installed. So from what it's showing us, it's a white case. It looks like it's got 6 bays, 7 bays in the back, so that's good for the 4090, hopefully. It's an ATX case, so 9 out of 10 chances the 4090 just came out. You might need an EATX case for the 4090. But looking at it, it's all white. We'll get a close-up of it right here. Have a look. Looks like you can slide the tray off that's in the back for the PSU to where you can bolt on the tray to the PSU and slide the PSU into the case. That's a good thing because that way, you know, you can put all your wiring on and stuff and put your PSU into the case, and you don't have to fight to get the wiring where you need it to be in that case. But they're not showing much in-depth detail to that case. But from what I'm looking at, I'm thinking they're only going to have like 3 to 4 fans in there. Yep. See, it's only coming with 3 fans for 140. Okay. Now, if that's the case you're looking for a white case, it might be for you. Just to first say. And they go on and on and on and on. I'm not going to make this a long video. It's already up to almost 20 minutes, but this is just some of the Fractal designs. Make sure you go to Amazon, check out Fractal designs and their cases, you know, and see what you like. But we're going to go ahead and get out of here. Until the next time in the next video, this is JJ, your boy with JJ's PC Built, and we will see you on the next video.